back. And so are my mercurial grass. They're coming back up. I'm gonna have to get rid of all this thatch because it's gonna stop the rains from getting into the ground. And I'm gonna put some consumer here now. So yeah, thatch has to go. Make room for something new. But they did very well. Pretty proud of them. Might use this as straw to mulch after I get it into the ground. That's pretty good. Yeah, these dead bits aren't gonna come back. So it's good to just get them out of the way and make room for the stuff that will come back. I need my pruners for this. This is like really fighting me. Jeez. Jeez, Rocco. Oh, so here's some stallings that I could probably plant somewhere else. I'll keep those on anything green. Looks like it's trying to come back. I will keep. I'm going to plant somewhere else. This has no roots. So, never mind. No roots. Yeah. But yeah, it looks like the chickens have been eating it. So that's good. They're getting a variety of their proteins in. I ain't mad at them, no. Not even a little. Now this bit here, there's a major cutback. That's all the thatch now. I'll probably go get my pruners and deal with dust later. But ground's still fairly compacted, so I'll do something about that. But for now, I'm just gonna do a row of Cocoyam around the walls. See how, you know, that fares out. Alright. That's all it looks like I can do for now. Yeah. But grass is coming back, so oops, stepped on that one. Happy, happy days. The grass is coming back. Watch me work. Then I get planted. Watch me work. Okay, so even though I got my mercurial grass in the center of the pot, I'm going to clear away some of the mulch. I was using palm kernel as a mulch. And yeah, it's pretty good. It was sturdy. I put this down maybe about 2-3 years ago, and it's still going fairly strong. So I mean, I might use it in future for like walkways instead of wood chips, because the wood chips dissipate quite quickly as they get wet in the rain season, and these palm kernels seem to absorb no water. So they're pretty durable and they seem to last forever. Let's find out their life cycle. But yeah, I'm just going to clear them out. so I can see where the soil is, dig through, and hopefully put in some cocoyams. Alright, watch the work. Believe it or not, there used to actually be beds here. I didn't shoot video of that, but I had taken my old plantain stalks, tree stalks, and I arranged them, you know, to make a little raised bed. Unfortunately, the chickens had a field day. You know, it's been so long I can't remember I was growing, so yes, anything. So, I think you can tell, but the ground is still incredibly hard. I'm surprised. So, hopefully, Cocoyams will do the trick. Just want to show you the soil profile. So it looks like I'm not too happy. I got termites, but of course termites are pretty common out here. I'm not sure if they do anything to cocoyams, but I guess we'll find out. Hey, babe. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hens. I'll put some more on that way. I'll probably put one over there. But yeah. This is what I got going on so far. I'm hoping it works out. All right.
Now we're gonna feed our chickens some chicken scraps from the kitchen. I'm gonna go first. Just put her that head. Okay. So we're just gonna like
Wait.
kind of eat it. Hopefully we don't hit the chicken. Be careful! Ah! I told him to be careful. Chickens will eat it. And the ones they don't eat will go inside the ground.
Happy chickens.
They eat what they like. Yeah. Oh my god, they're so cute. And then we have some baby chickens over here.
Oh, look at the baby chicken coming to eat.
Oh, kids are fence?
Yeah.
Cutie.
He's scared. It's like adults are mean.
They are mean. Oh my god, look at the whole running around! Rebecca first got these chickens.